Hi, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw Sonic the Hedgehog. If you are new here and want to watch more Procreate tutorials, tips, and cute drawing ideas, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button below. It's totally free and really help the channel grow. Now let's get started. First, we choose black color and the studio pen and inking to draw a quick draft. Let's draw a circle as the head first, then add the spines behind his head. Now let's draw a trapezoid shape as his body, with the chest at the front. Next, we can add the legs and the shoes. Then let's add his arms and hands. And the spines on the back. Let's make some minor adjustments here. Now we could start to add his face. Next, let's use eraser to delete some extra lines and make the draft cleaner. Now we finish our draft drawing. Let's create a new layer down below the draft layer, and tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Then we can easily draw the final lines based on the draft. This is much easier since we already have the draft. But you can still make adjustments when you are drawing. Okay, now we have all the outlines. Let's hide the draft layer now. I will make a quick adjustment to the face here, because I think it's a little bit too wide. We can use the freehand tool to select the area, and use freeform tool to make the adjustment. Let's start to fill colors for our drawing now. Create a new layer down below the outline layer and change the outline layer to reference. In this way, we can color our drawing easily on a separate layer based on the reference layer. We can just drag and fill the hedgehog with different colors. I have also put a link below for all the colors I used for the drawing. Once we fill all the colors, we can start to add some shadows for the drawing. Let's create a new layer on top of the color layer and change it to clipping mask. Also change the blend mode to multiply. Then we can just draw the shadows on this layer using a gray color. Now we have done for the cute Sonic Hedgehog drawing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe if you want to watch more cute drawing like this. See you next time!